Hiking, running, and walking, prepping for our trip to Mount Everest.
Hi, good to see you again. Just another prep little video for our trip to Mount Everest base camp. One of the things I just want to highlight is we're doing a lot of hiking and walking because that's what we're going to be doing for hours on end while we're over there. So one of the things that we have done is hiking through Alum Rock. I'll show you a little tiny little clip, a picture of that in a second.
This is our hike through Alum Rock Park, just not that far from us, but beautiful views of scenery, nice bridges, and just us hiking.
Then we also do running. So we just finished a 5K run for Courage Over Cancer run up at Chrissy Field in San Francisco.
In addition to getting us in shape, it's a great cause to contribute to and something we think David should grow up being a part of. So, we ran, and we also finished. Great prep.
By the way, David's time was 27.59. Mine was 31.07. But, you know, we're not competing. Yeah, he's way ahead of me. Anyway, what are you going to do? And we also just walk up the hill, half a mile back. Little jaunts as well, just to keep ourselves going. So some longer, some slower. Variety of things to build up our stamina. A lot of it, though, will be mental. Being able to go long ways and not really knowing where the stopping point is, what the destination is going to be. They're approximations. And on top of that, you think you're going uphill, but in fact we're going up and down, even when we're way up there. So it's going to be very interesting, just mentally. Anyway, just one more thing for our prep for our trip to Mount Everest. See you for now. Bye-bye.